Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and Clerk 2022. And daily in evening, I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and Clerk. And start your preparation from today onwards with confidence. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list, and we have to become our support and strength. So start your preparation, and let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And tomorrow is day 11, and in every Sunday I planned a weekly revision, and this revision should be like what you did in this week, and reattempt wrong and skipped questions, and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking. So as usual, early in morning, revise all basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values, formulas, etc. So on daily basis, revise all basics of each subject, and don't forget to revise basics of each subject. And after that, revise all the attempted pre-exams in this week, and note down all their weak areas where you are lacking, and make timetable according to your weak areas and from mistakes. So learn from mistakes and make timetable according to your weak areas. And after that, daily in morning, we are watching editorial video. So from that editorial videos, revise all the daily vocabulary words and also rules. So revise all the daily vocabulary words of last week from editorial videos. And after that, for quant reasoning, in this week we practiced syllogisms, inequalities, directions, number series and wrong number series. So tomorrow, revise all that ones or practice all those, and we have many free PDFs and quizzes. So practice all those for your reasoning and quant for a pre-level. And in afternoon, who are beginners and also who are already preparing, attempt a PO pre-exam from one of your source, and after attempting it, analyze your weak areas of your mistakes and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And after that, who are preparing for veins, revise all attempted quizzes in this week, and also yesterday we attempted mains mock test. So revise all that once tomorrow for your mains preparation, and note down your weak areas on a paper. And after that, give 1 hour for each reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness, in this week we read development of banking in India topic. So tomorrow revise the topic once. And also for computer awareness, this week we read computer hardware and computer memory. So tomorrow revise the two topics for computer awareness for our mains preparation. And after that, in evening also give 1 hour for reading current affairs. And from 2 days we are reading April 3rd week current affairs. So tomorrow attempt quizzes of April 3rd week current affairs from one of your source. And then before going to sleep, revise this week current affairs. And daily in morning we are reading daily current affairs. So revise all that once tomorrow. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in our Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates. And thank you.